Welcome everyone to another brand new video, and today in this video I like to share you guys how to download GCAM 8.4 for your any Android device. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, start the video. So at first open the app. You can get night sight, portrait, photo, video and modes option. And as you can see that night sight works so good, there is no problem. And the photo quality is so good, you can get lot of details and sharpness in the picture. And at the same time you also get 1x and 2x zoom slider. And manually you can zoom 10x. And the video mode you can get 4K video record option. And you also get time lapse and slow motion option. So right now slow motion not working. And the modes you can get panorama and photo square. Both one work so good. So let's see some photo sample GCAM 8.4. By the way, check out the video description for download GCAM 8.4. Okay, this is all about GCAM 8.4 full review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from Shada. Stay out. Allah Hafiz.